So step 1 is gonna be caramelizing the sugar. You're gonna add 100 grams of sugar, and as you can tell, I'm using the measuring cup to do this. I'm using the sugar section, which you don't really need as long as you have any cups which is in grams, or you can convert it to what is available to you. You go 100 grams, pouring it down. There you go. That's 100. Then you want to get a small pot and just pour it in there. So you want to add 20 grams of water, which I believe turned out to be a little too much. So if you want to do 10 grams, I advise to go with 10 grams. Then you want to put it on the stove and put it at 6. You don't want it to be too high or it's just going to burn out. You want to take out 150 grams of butter, which you are going to melt. And put that in the microwave for about 20 seconds or 30 seconds. You want to add it to a new bowl. Then you want to add 150 grams of sugar to that same bowl, of course. You want to mix it well. I was trying to use my left hand, but you know that didn't work out because I'm a righty. Then you want to add 3 eggs and mix that as well. You want to add yeast. Then you want to add 150 grams of flour. Pour it in the same bowl. You want to mix well. You want to add vanilla extract. I want to say about 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to move on to step 3, which is the pineapple step. So for this I used a can of pineapple slices. So you about to open that up. You want to open that up. Put it in the bowl, rinse it off. By this time our caramelized sugar should be ready. So there it goes. You want to put it in the pan. Here's where I messed up. I put in too much in the pan. You want to put just a little. It doesn't need to rise above the pan like that. Just want to cover the surface, and that's good enough. You want to preheat the oven at a 350 degrees. Next, you want to place the pineapple slices in the pan. You want to cut them accordingly so they fit. So what I did was I put in a whole slice, and then that empty space that you see on the right, I just cut one slice in half and put the half pieces right there. At this point, you're ready to pour the batter in the pan, so you want to do that, and we're pretty much done. Next, you want to put it in the oven and let it bake. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a picture, but this is what it should essentially look like. This is a note cake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.